Imagine having an AI employee that can connect all your apps, automate repetitive work, answer questions, and even complete tasks without writing a single line of code. Sounds like something only developers could build? Not anymore. Today we're testing Adaptive AI, an AI agent that builds complete workflows using plain English. No coding, no complex automation builders. Just tell it what you want. Let's see if it actually works. Adaptive AI is an AI-powered workflow automation platform. Instead of dragging blocks or writing code, you simply describe your task in normal English. For example, whenever I receive a new Gmail invoice, save it to Google Drive, notify me in Slack, and update a Google Sheet. Adaptive AI understands the request, builds the workflow, connects the apps, and runs everything automatically. Think of it as combining the power of traditional automation tools with conversational AI. Most automation platforms require you to learn their interface. You need triggers, actions, conditions, variables, APIs, webhooks, and sometimes even JavaScript. Adaptive AI removes that learning curve. Instead of asking, which trigger should I use? You simply explain your goal. The AI figures out the rest, and that's a huge shift, especially for entrepreneurs, marketers, small businesses, and creators who just want automation to work. Let's create our first automation. I'll type, when someone submits my contact form, send me an email, create a Notion task, and send a Slack notification. Watch what happens. The AI analyzes the request. It identifies the trigger, the connected apps, every action, and automatically creates the workflow. No dragging blocks, no manual configuration, just one prompt. Now let's connect the accounts, enable the workflow, and test it. Perfect. Everything runs exactly as expected. Now let's push it further. Let's ask Adaptive AI to create something more advanced. For example, every morning summarize yesterday's sales, compare them with last week, generate insights, and email me the report. Notice how it doesn't just automate, it actually understands the task. It builds multiple connected steps, adds logic, creates summaries, and prepares the report automatically. This is where AI agents become much more powerful than traditional automations. How does Adaptive AI compare with other automation tools? Zapier, extremely powerful. Thousands of integrations. But building complex workflows still takes time. Make.com, very flexible. Great for advanced users, but beginners often find it overwhelming. Adaptive AI natural language interface, fast workflow creation, minimal learning curve, AI-assisted automation. If you're new to automation, Adaptive AI is probably one of the easiest places to start. Now here's the real question. Can Adaptive AI actually save time in a real business? Let's run a simple experiment. Imagine you're running an online business. Every day, customers submit inquiries through your website. Normally, someone has to check the inbox, respond to the customer, create a task for the sales team, log the lead into a spreadsheet or CRM, and notify the team in Slack or Microsoft Teams. That process might only take 3 or 4 minutes per lead, but if you receive 100 inquiries a day, you're spending several hours on repetitive work. Now let's ask Adaptive AI to handle that entire process. Using one plain English prompt, we describe exactly what we want the AI to do. Within moments, it builds the workflow automatically. Let's test it. I'm submitting a sample contact form now. Watch the workflow execute in real time. The email arrives instantly. A task is created automatically. The customer information is saved. The team receives a notification. And everything happens without any manual intervention. That's the real value here. You're not just automating one task. You're creating a digital employee that works 24 hours a day, never forgets a step, and scales with your business. Of course, no AI tool is completely hands-free. You'll still want to review important workflows, verify the outputs, and make occasional improvements as your business grows. But compared to doing everything manually or spending hours building complex automations from scratch, Adaptive AI dramatically lowers the barrier to automation. And that's exactly why AI agents are becoming one of the biggest productivity trends for businesses in 2026. The future isn't replacing people. It's giving people AI teammates that handle repetitive work so they can focus on higher value tasks. Adaptive AI is ideal for business owners, marketing agencies, sales teams, customer support, content creators, freelancers, startups, operations managers. And honestly, anyone who spends hours doing repetitive digital work. If you can explain a task, there's a good chance adaptive AI can automate it. Here's what I liked. Very beginner friendly. Fast workflow generation. Natural language interface. Supports multiple business tools. Saves a significant amount of manual work. Now for the downsides. Some advanced workflows may still require manual adjustments. The quality of results depends on how clearly you describe your task, and you'll still need to connect external accounts before automation can run. So, is adaptive AI worth trying? If you're tired of repetitive tasks, want automation without learning complex workflow builders, or simply want an AI assistant that builds workflows from plain English, then yes, it's definitely worth exploring. The biggest takeaway isn't just automation, it's that AI is changing how automation is created. Instead of building workflows, we're now describing them. And that's a massive step toward making AI accessible to everyone. If you enjoyed this review and want more AI tool tutorials, workflow experiments, and automation guides, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.